In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share the editable link of the LaTeX Overleaf project so anyone can edit as a collaboration. Collaboration is one of Overleaf's most powerful features. Whether you're working on a research paper, a class assignment, a technical report, or any other LaTeX document, sharing your project with others allows multiple people to contribute and make updates efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable sharing, generate an editable project link, and choose the appropriate permissions for the people you invite. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Overleaf website. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if you haven't already done so. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all of your projects are stored and organized. Next, open the project that you would like to share with others. Wait for the editor to load completely so you can access all of the available project options. Once you're inside the project, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll find a Share button there, which is where all collaboration settings are managed. Click the Share button to open the sharing panel. Inside this menu, you'll see the project's collaboration options. If link sharing is currently disabled, you'll notice that sharing by link is turned off. To make the project accessible through a shareable link, simply enable this option. As soon as link sharing is activated, Overleaf will generate a unique project link. This link can be copied and sent to anyone you want to collaborate with. Anyone who receives the link will be able to access the project according to the permissions you've selected. In addition to copying the link directly, Overleaf also provides the option to invite collaborators through email. This can be useful when you're working with a specific group of people and want to manage access more precisely. When sending invitations, you'll have the opportunity to choose the level of access each recipient receives. Depending on your needs, you can assign different permission levels. For example, you may allow someone to edit the document, view the project without making changes, or review the content. Choosing the appropriate role helps ensure that collaborators can interact with the project exactly as intended. Once you've selected the desired sharing method and permissions, your project is ready for collaboration. Team members can access the document, contribute updates, and work together within the same Overleaf environment, making the writing and editing process much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification